How to check and view what your profile looks like to others on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook. This is the home page. Go to the top corner, click here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings, go here to profile and tagging. It will take you to this page. Go here, and now all what you have to do is click on view as you can see. Now you can see how your profile looks like to others. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.